Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My gorgeous client, Zariah, her face card is crazy. We are going to be doing a twist out today, my favorite. I'm so excited. As always, we start with a hair wash, deep treatment, a nice clean foundation here. My client normally wears her hair in a wash and go or a twist out herself, but I told her this is going to be one that truly lasts you 2 weeks. And let me show you how. It's all in the products. What you use, making sure it's for your hair type, meaning like if you have a tight curl pattern, loose curl pattern, making sure the product you're using is not too lightweight or heavy for your hair. What you use really makes a big difference in how long your style will last. So I am making sure I distribute the leave-in conditioner that I applied in my hand thoroughly all throughout her hair. Putting it in sections allows me to have better control while styling. Similar to the leave-in that I use, this is a moisturizing mousse. I like to pair it with a styling gel that is also moisturizing. I love to use products that were designed and created for natural hair. Now we are starting with the foundation of her twist out. For the twist out, I like to do flat twists to the scalp as opposed to doing single twists, only because I feel like it does elongate the hair more, and because it's flat to the scalp, once it's completely dry, it holds the moisture more. Speaking of moisture, here we are making my little cocktail water and that same leave-in in a spray bottle so that as I go, I am spraying each section, allowing her hair to receive the product better. Normally, I do have an order of how I apply the product. For instance, if her curls were tighter, coily to kinky, I would apply the gel first and then the mousse. But her natural curls are very loose. Not loose wavy, but loose curly. I guess somebody would say that she has 3A curls, but I'm not one that uses numbers and letters to identify curl types or curl patterns because there's so much more to the hair type that we need to actually be like looking at. So yeah, that's another story for another video. But yes, we completed the first twist. If you notice that I was very intentional with my grip. This will ensure that the twists come out nice and tight and not dragged, meaning like if your hand is more downward, your twist will be elongated. Just like how I was saying, that's what the flat twists do, it elongates. So when you hold your hand upward, most of the time as you are twisting downward, you will end up with tighter, more defined curls, and that's what lasts. I did not speed this part up because I want you to know that patience is what you must have within your hands. Even though you need a grip, need a tight grip, but patience. Grab each section underneath at a time, taking the same amount, not a bigger size than the other, evenly distributing the hair on both sides. Once you have patience, you have trust. And once you have trust, you have the process coming into fruition in front of your eyes. Yeah, it's a good thing. Don't forget to spray each section with your water cocktail that you made with your leave-in in your spray bottle. Apply your mousse, apply your gel, or the other way around, your gel or your mousse first, depending on how tightly coiled your hair is, or based on the level of dryness. Once my hands are no longer twisting on the scalp and I get towards the very end, I like to do a further tightening to make sure that I am still holding the same size amount of hair on both sides. As you are twisting down, the hair again should still be fully drenched with product. If you feel any knots, take the time to run your finger through the piece of hair before twisting it. Now we are ready to dry, honey. Because we are taking out the twist on the same day, we have her sit for at least an hour and some change, meaning like another hour and 15 minutes. But you can also keep this in and sit under the dryer for maybe 10 to 15 minutes and keep them in for a total of 2 to 3 days and then take them out. Once we're done drying, we glaze with hydrating oil, squeezing and locking it in, making sure there are no wet spots. I know we're excited, but this is again where we take our time and have patience. Notice how oily my hands are. This will help reduce frizz when taking down the twist. This is really a clear depiction of how you start is how you finish. If I did not take my time in twisting her hair to begin with, unraveling this would not be easy. The takedown of twists or braids should be a satisfying one, not one full of tangle or frizz. And that is all based on the products that you use and the techniques that you've learned from this video, of course. The kind of oil that I was using for her takedown was grapeseed oil, which is a form of hydrating oil similar to almond oil, avocado oil, rosemary, jojoba. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But yes, hydrating oils are definitely best to use within your natural styling. You guys, I am in love. I'm in love. I just love when everything comes out the way it's supposed to. Yes, girl. Use a pick or your fingers at the root and fluff her out. Gorgeous. And we had to get some natural sunlight to really make these curls pop. Ah, yes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot for your next twist out, and it should come out amazing. Thanks for watching.